and confuse it with what's on Google and what's in our mind, which leads to losing of focus and less active mind. Let's take an example of calculator. In the earlier times, people used to do the calculations manually and they did not require any device. But now we are dependent on calculation. We are dependent on calculator. For every simple calculations, we require the device, which has made us dull. Another example is smartphones. Smartphones were developed so that we can do the meticulous task, and now we are using it for watching videos, games, songs, and to access the information from the Google or Wikipedia, which has led to the sleep deprivation, making us irritated, frustrated, and leading us to make us dim-witted. It is good to know where to find the information, but critical knowledge and retention of information is equally crucial. For that, we need to store knowledge in our head and not just in our computers. Fundamentally, technology is definitely changing us. It is making us lethargic. But alas, technology will continue to evolve, and the gap between what can be solved with and without it will only increase. Therefore, we will become more and more dependent on technology, leading to inability to learn and making us mousy. We need to get rid of shortcuts and start doing mental work. Thank you.
Very good.
Good morning, all of you. I'm Kirti Nigam. I want to say that technology is not making people dumb. Technology is teaching us to be a great human. Technology is one of the principal driving forces of the future. The impact of technology on these elements can change how safe, healthy, and happy people feel. Technology has improved the way people feel, clothes, shelter in themselves. Technology has also changed other aspects of everyday life such as healthcare, education, job satisfaction, and leisure time activities. The technology which surrounds almost everyone in the modern society affects both work and leisure activities. Technology contains information that many would rather it did not have. Information minds to in good and bad ways, and it always people to share information which they would otherwise not be able to attend. Even if a person does not own a computer or have credit card, this information on a computer somewhere about everyone. The technology which is just now beginning to be manipulated is affecting the minds of small children and adolescents in ways that could be harmful. It is affecting our immediate future. It also gives another form of communication and exchange of information which was not available. Technology advances shows people a more efficient way to things, and these processes get results. For example, education has been greatly advanced by the technological advances of computers. Students are able to learn on a Google scale without ever leaving their classroom. Agriculture process that once required dozens upon dozens of humans. Workers can now be automated. Thanks to advance in technology, which means cost efficiency for farmers. Medical discoveries occur at a much more rapid rate, thanks to machines and computers that add in research process and allow for more intense educational research into medical matters. The impact of technology in modern life is unmeasurable. We use technology in different ways, and sometimes the way we implement various technologies ends up harming our lives or the society we live in. In the working world, in nearly every job you may take, you have to know how to operate a computer. Teaching this skill in children early will give them an advantage and a learning curve for when they are adults. Cell phones now allow us to stay in contact with our friends and family anywhere that we are. It is how students communicate problems and emergency with their parents when they are at school as well.
Okay.
At the last, I want
Just conclude it, okay? Make it shorter. Everyone, those who are left, make your speech little shorter and the questioning little more, okay?
And the last, I want to say that technology is meant to help and reduce the time. we spend looking for something or make things convenient. It helps us to be smarter and does not decay or lose our. Thank you.
Good.